motor compartment. A complete visual inspection of the timing belt has been done. Vehicle placed in reverse. Push backwards, get the engine to rotate in a normal direction, and visually inspect all of the teeth, the backside of the belt, all the way around. There's no missing teeth. There's no issue or concern about the condition of the belt at this time. With a published 105,000 mile limit, we're sitting at 93,700 at this time, so I'm going to consider it good. And belt inspection is easy to do, primarily because this cover has just a couple of quick clips, one on the left of that picture and one on the right of that picture. You can see it extended. Quick disconnect, and it's just a couple of minute job.